What's up, guys? What's going on? We got another video for you today, and we're going to talk about what is Polkadot for beginners. Let's explain. Imagine the internet as a bunch of isolated islands, each with its own rules and communities. Now picture a super bridge system that connects all these islands, allowing people and goods to move freely between them. That's kind of what Polkadot does in the world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. If you're new to crypto, don't worry. This essay will break it down simply, step by step. We'll cover what Polkadot is, its native coin DOT, how it all works, and why it might matter to you. By the end, you'll have a clear picture without feeling overwhelmed. First things first, Polkadot is not just another cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. It's a whole platform designed to make different blockchains talk to each other. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger that records transactions securely and transparently, without needing a bank or a middleman. Polkadot, launched in 2020, aims to solve a big problem in the crypto world. Most blockchains operate in silos, meaning they can't easily share data or assets. Polkadot changes that by creating a network where multiple blockchains can connect and work together seamlessly. The brain behind Polkadot is Dr. Gavin Wood, one of the co-founders of Ethereum, the second biggest blockchain after Bitcoin. He saw the limitations of Ethereum, like its scalability issues, meaning it can get slow and expensive when too many people use it, and wanted to build something better. Polkadot was developed by the Web3 Foundation and Parity Technologies. Starting as a project in 2016, it went live May 2020 after raising funds through a token sale. Since then, it has grown into a major player in the Web3 movement, which is all about decentralized internet where users control their own data instead of big tech companies. At the heart of Polkadot, its unique architecture. It's built around a central relay chain which acts like a main highway. This relay chain coordinates everything, ensures security. Connected to it are parachains, which are like side roads or custom blockchains built for specific purposes. Maybe one for finance, another for gaming, or even social media. These parachains can run their own rules but still benefit from the relay chain's protection and connectivity. Then there are bridges, which link Polkadot to external blockchains like Ethereum or Bitcoin, allowing assets to move across different networks. This setup makes Polkadot highly interoperable, meaning it promotes cooperation rather than competition among blockchains. Now let's talk about DOT, the native coin of Polkadot. DOT isn't just digital money, it's the fuel that powers the entire system. These are three main jobs for DOT: governance, staking, and bonding. First, governance. If you hold DOT, you get a vote on how the network changes. Want a new feature or an upgrade? DOT holders propose and decide through a democratic process called referenda. This keeps Polkadot evolving based on community input, not just from a few developers. Second, staking. This is like putting your DOT to work to secure the network. Validators, special nodes that check transactions and need DOT staked behind them. You can stake your DOT directly or nominate others to do it, and in return, you earn rewards, more DOT. It's a way to make passive income while helping keep the blockchain honest. If someone tries to cheat, they can lose their staked DOT. which discourages bad behavior. Third, bonding. To add a new parachain to the network, projects bond DOT for a set period, like renting a slot on the relay chain. This is done through auctions where communities crowd loan DOT to support their favorite projects. Once the lease ends, the DOT is returned. This system ensures only serious projects get space, and it expands the ecosystem without bloating the main chain. DOT supply is inflationary, meaning new coins are created over time to reward stakers and validators. As of 2025, there are over 1.4 billion DOT in circulation, with no hard cap like Bitcoin's 21 million. This design encourages participation and growth. The total value locked in staking often exceeds billions of dollars, providing strong economic security. Why does all this matter? Polkadot's benefits shine in scalability, security, decentralization. It can handle thousands of transactions per second, way more than Ethereum's original design. Thanks to its sharded structure, dividing work among parachains, security is shared across the network, so smaller chains get big league protection without building it from scratch. And it's decentralized. No single company controls it. It's run by a global community of over 1.4 million wallet holders. Compared to other cryptos, Polkadot stands out for its focus on interoperability. Bitcoin is great for storing value, like digital gold. Ethereum is a smart contract powerhouse for apps like DeFi, decentralized finance, and NFTs. But Polkadot is like the internet of blockchains, connecting them all. It's similar to Cosmos or Cardano, but Polkadot's shared security model gives it an edge. For beginners, if you're tired of high fees on Ethereum, Polkadot offers a smoother, more connected alternative. Getting started with DOT is straightforward. You can buy it on exchanges like Coinbase, and I believe you can get it on Uphold, BitTrue, and BTCC. I'm pretty sure you can. And I have links to all those in the description. So just click the simple.bio link, and then you sign up, make a deposit, and you get a nice little deposit bonus on your deposit. Coinbase, you deposit 20, you get 30. Uphold 100, get 20. And then I think BitTrue and BTCC got similar promotions. So yeah, get some free money with that link down in the description, link.bio link, and it leads to all my affiliate links. Alright, so yeah, you can use USD to purchase it, then store it in a wallet. Hardware wallets like Ledger are super secure for long-term holding. Ledger wallet just like that. Yep. I recommend you guys do that. And I have a link to that too in the simple.bio link to Ledger. It's just a safer way to store your crypto. Alright. Yeah. With softer ones like Polkadot.js are good for active use. Always enable two-factor authentication and never share your private keys. If you're interested in staking platforms like official Polkadot dashboard, make it easy. Just lock up your DOT and watch the rewards come in. Looking ahead, Polkadot is buzzing in 2025. Recent upgrades like Polkadot 2.0 focus on agile core time, making it easier and cheaper for projects to launch parachains. The ecosystem now boasts over 300 projects, from DeFi protocols to AI-driven apps and even next-gen games. With mass adoption in mind, Polkadot is partnering with real-world sectors like supply chain and healthcare. However, like all crypto, it's volatile. Price can swing based on market trends, regulations, or tech hiccups. Always do your own research and invest only what you can afford to lose. In conclusion, Polkadot and its Dotcoin are paving the way for a more connected, efficient blockchain world. For beginners, it's an exciting entry into Web3, offering real utility beyond just speculation. Whether you're staking for rewards, voting on governance, or exploring connected apps, Dot puts power in your hands. As the crypto space grows, Polkadot's vision of a unified network could become the standard. If this sparks your interest, start small, learn more, and join the community. The future of the internet might just be decentralized. So I hope you guys enjoyed that Polkadot video. Hopefully you guys learned a little bit about Polkadot. I actually learned a little bit about Polkadot there, so it was pretty cool. Anyway, let me know in the comments. Are you a Polkadot holder? If you are or not, let me know why. All right, let me know down there in the comment section. And also, yeah, like I said, check out my affiliate links. We got the banner up at the top telling you about all the deals. Link is in the description. Simple.bio link. Also, if you want to visit my website, santaall.net, santaall.net right there. Just go to santaall.net and you can find out how you can get entries to enter for the $100 weekly giveaway. We do a $100 weekly giveaway every Friday, and there's many ways to get entries by supporting all my channels, and it's all there on the website, so go check it out. I appreciate y'all. santaall.net. Smash up the like, guys, subscribe, and share it out with your friends. Peace out till next time.